afternoon, my most amazing artist. I hope you're looking forward to today's lesson. We're going to be creating these really adorable directed bunny drawings. So to start, you're going to need some white paper, a pencil, and an eraser. And you can use crayons or oil pastels will also work, whichever you have. If you have both, it doesn't really matter. And then you're going to need a colored piece of paper or some pattern paper along with watercolor paint and a bottle of glue and a pair of scissors. Now to begin the drawing of a bunny, we're going to start with a curved line. This is going to be the top of the bunny's head, about the middle of the paper, maybe a little bit higher. Now next we're going to create a bigger curved line underneath. These are going to create like the cheeks of our cute little bunny. Now I'm creating a curved line on the bottom of the head on each side to create like a belly for the bunny. Okay. Now for the ears, basically the first one's going to be like a big triangle at the top, so one curved line, then another, and then repeat that triangle shape inside of that large ear. Now the other ear, we're going to make this flop over, so make a line and then a curved line followed by another. Now we're going to make a straight vertical line and then the inside of the ear. Now we're not going to put it at the top part because it's flapped over so you wouldn't see it. Now for the eyes, I included this picture of cartoon eyeballs, and you can use your own or you can create one of those, and you might want to pause it on that. I'm just going to do some dots. Now we're going to be creating those glasses for our bunny, and you got to be careful with the spacing of your eyes or how big the earpiece is. Now the nose, upside down triangle. Now a circle on each side, the bottom of that nose. Then we're going to create some whiskers, just some little curved lines coming off with the dots. Okay, now some teeth. We're going to make like a rectangle shape and then with a line through it to give it some big bunny teeth. How cute is that? Now you get to begin coloring in your bunny. Now I'm going to leave my bunny white, but you can make it brown, you can make it white with black spots, however you want to. You can use crayons to do this, obviously. And then I'm just going to go trace, because my bunny's going to be white, and just finish coloring the whole bunny in. I want to talk to you guys about line. And right now I'm making a straight horizontal line from side to side. A line is basically a continuous mark made on a surface, and there's all different kinds of lines. Right now I'm making a vertical, straight up and down. Now I'm creating a diagonal line. Now I'm just showing you how lines are continuous. They can be thick, they can be thin. They're continuous mark made on a surface. They can be zigzag. I like to call them a dot that went for a walk. We're going to be creating line in the background of our bunny drawings. So right now I'm just showing you a few different examples of lines that you could create. Sometimes you just need to look all around you for ideas on what kinds of lines you can make. You can also look online to see, put like different types of lines, look at the outline of shapes. That will give you ideas. All right, so you're going to now create those lines in the background of your bunny. Now you're looking for variety of line, and variety means many different kinds. So don't just do all straight horizontal. And also change up the color. Now you can use the crayons or the oil pastels for this part. So as you can see, I've got a zigzag line. Now I've got a straight horizontal line, straight side to side, and now I'm doing a wavy line. Now that you're finished, it's time to start watercolor painting over the lines you did in the background. Now this is known as a crayon resist or watercolor resist, and that's because the wax and the crayon and the water do not mix, so the crayon pops out through the paint. So you're going to finish up that whole background. You can paint it however you want with whatever colors. Now we're going to create the glasses. So I'm going to do a curved line across the paper. Then this line, it dips down, and this line is going to now curve a little curved line in the middle for the nose piece. And you might want to make that a little smaller depending on how far apart or close together your eyes are on the bunny. Now I'm going to do another curved line. And now I'm going to create a curved line on each side from the ends that you did. So you're going to leave that middle spot open. But now I do another one. And then I do one on this side. Now I'm gonna basically just outline the inside of those frames. So now I'm creating the actual frames for the glasses. I'm crossing out these parts because I'm going to be cutting those out later, so I don't need those there. Now the next step, if you like, you can add some patterns or designs to your paper and then cut the glasses out. Now the next step to cut out the middle, I'm folding each part where those little inside of the frames are. I make a snip with my scissors, then poke my scissors inside of those and cut out the inside frame part of the scissors. So you're going to do this on both sides. And once they're done, we're now going to glue them on the bunny. Now I just put some Elmer's glue stick is fine too, whatever glue you have, on the back of the glasses. Now I think I made my nose piece a little large, and I'll show you how I can fix that. But you could always just do your eyes in pencil until you fit your glasses on right, and then color them in just to be safe. So yeah, mine get covered a little bit because I made my nose piece a little too large. So I'm just going to redraw those eyeballs in. So I glue that down. And I take my crayon and I redraw those eyeballs in. How cute are these? And there you have it, this adorable, cute little bunny with some fun glasses on. I hope you enjoyed today's activity, guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow.